guys, I promised you in my last video that I'm gonna try oats milk with different recipes, and I will try it in the coffee and I will do different water ratio as well. So let's go and try oats milk with different recipes. I hope this time it will work wonders. And I have just noticed this hairstyle. It's just like a ghost horn. Wow. So I am done with it. I'm not gonna strain it this time because I would like to drink it as it is with the fiber as well. I had some mangoes, frozen mangoes. I put frozen mangoes into it and try to make it a smoothie or shake, whatever you say, and nothing else, just oats and mangoes. Let's see how the taste is. You can see yourself how thick it turns out due to mangoes and due to the fiber. It's so thick and lovely looking. Look dear, I have tried making oats milk by applying few different methods. Like I have tried it by soaking it overnight. I have tried it by adding equal amounts of water while grinding. Then I tried it by adding 2 cups of water, then 3 cups of water if oats milk is just 1 cup. In the last video I have added 4 cups of water. I changed that ratio, then I tried it by adding dates into the mixture, and today, as you have seen, I have tried it with frozen mango slices into it. And now what is my conclusion? Of course I like it, but only if I add fruit into it. So I'll continue this most probably in the summers with cold chilled ice into it and by adding some fruits like mangoes, bananas or dates, etc. So in this field it will be tastier and I will use it without straining because I feel it more fulfilling in this way. And number one tip is you definitely need to soak it for a few hours and preferably overnight. Number two tip for you is don't add too much water into it. If you have 1 cup of oats, add 2 cups, and maximum you can go for 3 cups. Don't add 4 or something like that because then it will be less creamy and less foamy and less thicker. Number 3 tip for you is do strain it because I don't think so most of the people will like too much fiber into it. Number 4 tip for you is try to add something sweet into it like natural sweeteners. You can add dry fruits and add some fruits, natural sweeteners. So in this way it would be more pleasant in taste. And what else? Yeah, don't add in coffee because I don't think it would work. I have tried it by adding into hot coffee, into cold coffee. In cold coffee, it could be, for some people, could be nice enough. When you heat up the oats milk, it totally changes its consistency and taste, etc. So this is my conclusion. And in the summers, I think when you need so much juices and your water need increases, you can substitute it with milk or lassi. Put some ice into it, put it into freezer for some time, and you will definitely gonna like it. It's so healthy, and taste is also, if not exceptional, but really nice. So please you try it yourself and then let me know in the comments. And next time, what experiment do you want me to do for you?